In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Epic Games on mobile in just a few simple steps. If you've been trying to get the Epic Games app on your phone and want a quick, easy walkthrough, you're in the right place. This guide is beginner-friendly, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find the app, install it, and sign in so you can start using it right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll download the Epic Games app safely on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Epic Games. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app and not anything similar or unofficial. After you search, look through the results and find the Epic Games app in the list. Now tap on the Epic Games app to open its store page. Before installing, it's always a good idea to quickly check the app name, icon, and developer information so you know you're selecting the correct one. Once everything looks right, tap the Install button. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the process to finish. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Epic Games app on your mobile device. The app should start up and take you to the sign-in screen or welcome page. From here, you'll need to sign in if you already have an Epic Games account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account right inside the app. Just follow the on-screen prompts and enter the required details. Once you're signed in, you're all set. You've successfully installed Epic Games on mobile and you're ready to use the app. This process is really simple once you know where to look, and now you can come back to it anytime you want to reinstall or help someone else do it too. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.